Every marketing platform shows you a subscriber list. Here's what's different about this one. Click any subscriber and you get their full history, every campaign they received, every open, every click, and every consent event with a timestamp. That last part matters, and I'll come back to it. Audiences are how you slice the list. Two kinds. Static audiences are a fixed membership you pick by hand or import. Good for event invite lists. Dynamic audiences are saved filters. Tagged manufacturing, opened in the last 30 days, consented to the newsletter. Membership recalculates continuously. Build it once and it stays fresh forever. Watch how fast this is. New audience. Name it. Pick dynamic. Add conditions from dropdowns, field, operator, value. The size preview updates as you build, so you know how many people match before you save. No SQL, no exports to a spreadsheet, no waiting on an analyst. If you'd rather describe the segment in plain English, the AI Suggest button takes a sentence like consultants who engaged recently but haven't bought, and drafts the filter conditions for you. Every AI-generated record in this product carries its confidence and its reasoning stored on the row. You can always see why the machine did what it did. Here's the part your legal team will ask about. Every consent event lands in an append-only ledger. Opt-in, the double opt-in confirmation, unsubscribes, preference changes, each with source, timestamp, and IP. When an auditor or a GDPR request shows up, you export the ledger as CSV. Done. No reconstruction project. Segmentation, speed plus consent. Rigor is the combination most platforms make you choose between. You get both in the same screens on every plan. Next video, content, AI drafting, and the campaign wizard. That's where these audiences get put to work.